Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of rich, moist and ultra fudgy chocolate mud cake. If you are a chocolate lover, this one is for you. So grab your ingredients and let's get baking. So here are the ingredients we'll need today to make this ultimate chocolate mud cake. And don't worry if you missed anything, I've got all the ingredients listed in the description below. Start with the ingredients. I have 300 grams of all-purpose flour with me. This is 550 grams of caster sugar, 250 grams of chocolate, 55 grams of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. This is 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 4 eggs, half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 125 ml of milk, 175 ml of water and 250 grams of butter. Now to get that incredible fudgy texture, we are going to start with our hot mixture first. Okay, so I'm going to keep a pan of water, let it simmer, and now I'm going to put a heat-proof bowl over it, and in this bowl I'm adding chocolate, butter, sugar. Now here's a secret tip. Adding a touch of instant coffee makes the chocolate flavor even more intense. And trust me, this subtle addition takes your mud cake to a whole new level. So in this hot water, I'm going to mix the instant coffee and I'm going to add it in this bowl. Okay, so now we are going to melt this. So we'll keep on whisking and mixing it until it is all melted and it's a homogeneous mixture. Okay, so now once this luscious mixture has melted down, I'm going to bring this down from the heat. And now we are adding milk, which helps cool it slightly. Okay, let me just mix this. Then in go the eggs, but one at a time. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that adding eggs slowly helps keep the batter nice and smooth? Okay. So finally a little vegetable oil, and this keeps our mud cake super soft. Okay, I think I've taken a small bowl. I'll have to shift my batter into a larger one. So let me do that first. Now for our dry ingredients, I am sifting in the flour, baking powder, baking soda and cocoa powder along with some salt. Okay, now a quick pro tip here. Sifting helps aerate the flour, so making your cake even more tender. So don't skip this step, okay? And now we are going to combine everything. So just be gentle. I'm using a hand mixer, but you can mix it with a spatula also. And just look at this gorgeous chocolatey goodness. And this is the moment you'll start to smell all those rich cocoa notes filling in the kitchen. Absolutely heavenly. So now I have this 8-inch tin which I've lined with parchment paper at the bottom and also at the sides. And I'm going to pour this thick batter into a lined 8-inch tin. So here's another tip. Using parchment paper not only prevents sticking, but it also helps in easing unmolding. And now this parchment paper is of a long height because we want our cake with a good height. If we'll not use the parchment paper with height, batter will come out of the pan while baking. Okay, so just be particular to take this length of the parchment paper on the sides of the pan. Okay, So we are baking this at a low temperature of 150 degrees Celsius for around 2 hours. Baking low and slow helps create that dense mud cake texture we are after. Okay, so now let's get this beauty into the oven. So while it's baking, let me know in the comments what's your favorite chocolate dessert. And now after 2 hours, here's our mud cake. It's super hot right now, so we'll let it cool completely before we come here and unmold it. Okay, so time to unmold this mud cake. See, just look at that. The height, the texture, it's perfect. Okay, so now let's get ready for the final touch. So now for the chocolate ganache, I'm just pouring this glossy ganache over the top, letting it drip naturally for that rustic look. Now remember, any ganache that drips can be reused. So that is why I'm using this tray with the parchment paper underneath to collect all the poured ganache. Okay. Now you can keep this in a fridge for the ganache to get set before you cut a slice. Okay, so now the moment of truth. Let's slice into this beauty. Just look at how dense and moist it is. This is the mud cake of your dreams, rich, fudgy and intensely chocolatey. Perfect for any occasion or simply when you want to treat yourself. And this tastes amazing. Now if you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know if you try this mud cake and tag me on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Until then, happy baking!